Let's look at this. As you can see, given that sine 60 is equal to this, our cos 60 is 1 over 2, we are asked to evaluate this. Okay? This is cool because there's no need for us to start cracking our brain remembering what is sine 60 and what is cos 60 in an exam environment. So what we need to do now, just to say 1 minus square root of 3 over 2 all over 1 plus 1 over 2. This is just surd now. That's why you must remember your surd. Let's look at this numerator. That is 2 minus square root of 3 all over. This is 2 plus 1 equal to 2 minus this over 2 multiply by 2 over, this is 3. I just had this 3, 2. I change this to times, then I flip it. Or, let me not do that here because of some people. All over. This is a numerator all over 3 over 2, okay? Then we do 2 square root of 3 over 2 multiply by 2 over 3, okay? So this and this will cancel. We have 2 all over 3. Because this numerator is not a surd, we can stop now. 2 minus square root of 3 over 3. Let's see. 2 minus square root of 3 over 3. D is the answer, okay?